Welcome back. Well, we told you we're having a Disney day this morning on the KOAM Morning News, and to kick it up, we're going to learn about a production of Beauty and the Beast Junior coming up with Frontenac Junior High, and joining us with all the details, we have a theater director, Seth Harley, and Stevie Likely playing the role of Belle. Thank you both for coming in this morning.
Thank you for having us.
All right, now we were talking a little bit during the break. This is the biggest production that you guys have put on for the school.
Yes, today for the high school and junior high. We have about 43 kids in grades 6 through 9, and then that are in the cast, and then which makes the stage very full. And then we have 10 crew and 2 assistants, plus all parents and various other people that become involved. It takes a village to make a big production.
So do you use students from both the high school and middle school or junior high, or?
It goes through 9th grade, so we use the 6th
grade.
grade through the 9th grade.
Okay.
And then some of the older kids might jump in as assistants to help out with stuff.
Mm-hmm. Well, it gets them excited in theater before they get to high school, so that's really cool. Now, Lexi, I understand you're an 8th grader. Mm-hmm. Tell me a little bit about your role as Belle.
Belle, she's confident and she loves to read books, and that's not very common in her village. So she's not quite welcome there, but she doesn't really care. She just loves herself, and she finds herself welcomed somewhere else that she never thought she would find.
Okay. How hard has it been to, is this your first production, or have you been in other plays before?
I've been in other plays. I've been in two other
plays? I would imagine the number of lines you have for Belle is a little bit higher than...
Yeah, but having experience just a little bit helps a lot, and it's been fairly easy. I mean, like, being nervous sometimes can, like, jumble your words, but it usually just comes to mind and it flows pretty easy.
Now, we've all seen the Disney classic.
Mm-hmm.
How close is the storyline with this play?
I'd say it's pretty exact. There's, like, some other added songs, but the story is played almost exactly.
Mm-hmm. They can't mess with the classics, right? How fun has it been working with the kids for this?
It's a great group, and they've got lots of good energy, and it's been a very enjoyable show. I say right now it's always the exhausting final push to it, so we're all, I think, ready to get to the performances, but then once it's gone, we'll all be kind of sad at that point. But It's been a lot of fun working with this group of kids.
And speaking of the performances, the first show is on Sunday. You want to give us the details of when and where and all the show times?
It is Sunday at Frontenac High School at 2:30, and then it is Monday and Tuesday at 7 o'clock. Tickets are just $5 general admission and are available at the door when you show up, a half hour before the performances.
Of course, that $5 helps you put on future productions as well.
Yes.
All right, well, thank you so much for coming on this morning, and I have to say it, break a leg.
Thank you.
All right, we will be right back.